What's crackalackin' everyone? MG here, and I'm back. I'm back at home. You know what I'm saying? I had to leave the secret base, so we're back here on the mainland. You know what I'm saying? So we got Bitcoin on deck. First of all, craziness is happening in the market. It's always good when we get some pumps. Okay, so let's actually just take a hit of dopamine together, right? So we got Bitcoin here on the weekly. Okay, and money flow is actually, let's take a look at money flow. Money flow is actually moving on an uptrend. It's actually moving up. Stochastics are leveling out and possibly going up. And we do have a confirmed bottom here. I will say if this green dot confirmation is still around when we close the next candle, it is definitely confirmed. And what's interesting is we had a red diamond that already happened. So BTC dumped, and now we are here finding a local bottom. Here's a really interesting thing too. When we go into the 2-week, it's looking like BTC is looking for a bottom as well on the 2-week. So this is actually quite good, at least for a local bottom. But if the 1-week is posting a bottom and then the 2-week is looking for one, then we might have that relief rally that we were talking about, or that we have been talking about for quite some time. And again, guys, more opportunities to take money off the table. Not financial advice. So then we have here, we are actually under the 200-day, which is 20,777. I'll just leave it at 777 because I like that. And of course, we have the 50-day acting as resistance at 42,000 dollars. That is quite the journey. We're talking about an 86% pump. In our market, you never know. So let's take a look at ADA here. We got Cardano. And what's interesting is we already have posted a local bottom for Cardano on the weekly. And money flow is actually on a downtrend, and stochastics are leveling out. And we can see here that we had a sell confirmation on the 18th of April, and it's looking like it's already have taken its course. We are trading above the 200-day at 55 cents, and of course the 50-day at $1.34, which seems pretty crazy. We will see, if Bitcoin's if this bottom confirmation here actually works out and we get that relief rally, then I expect Cardano to pump as well, as per usual arrangement. And then when we go into the 2-day, what's really interesting is we've posted a sell confirmation, and on the daily we are working on putting the local bottom as well. So that's very exciting there for Cardano. And then when we go into ETH, okay, let's flip to the weekly here. EMA Ravens have gone bearish. We have resistance at the 200-day, like really, really close. I mean, 1200, right? 1200. That's just such a close level. And of course, the latest swing low is the 877. So what's really interesting about this is we have confirmed a bottom with the weekly. Stochastics are leveling out. More than likely, they're going to be moving up. And the money flow, I'm going to, just for the hit of dopamine, just taking the key hit of dopamine right here, I'm just going to say this is level, but it will go up because we have this bottom confirmation here, and we have this momentum wave ready to move on up. So we will see. So that's Ethereum. And actually, you know what? Let's go back to ETH real quick. I want to take a look at the 2-week. And, just like Bitcoin, the 2-week, Ether is looking for that local bottom. If we print the bottom for Bitcoin on the 2-week, and Ethereum prints its 2-week bottom confirmation, then Cardano follows suit. It will be, Cardano will definitely be in tow once that bottom is confirmed. And it's looking like when we swing over to Lux, it's looking like we're working on one. This is not confirmed. However, it is very, very interesting how there's one posted right now. And we have we closed a green 2 week after 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12 weeks of red, baby. Okay, so this is actually quite good. We will see what happens in the next 2 days. I'm very excited for that. And then when we go into the 1 week, we've already cleared a local bottom and we are moving on up. So we are really waiting with bated breath on what Bitcoin wants to do. We know where Bitcoin is going to go. However, we truly don't know what Bitcoin is going to do, if that makes any fucking sense. Because every time we're all so damn sure, it means so damn much to us that we're like, oh yeah, Bitcoin's gonna go to 100K or this and that, and then Bitcoin just does whatever the fuck it wants, right? So we will see. We will see. Imagine this. Imagine if think about this. Let's just talk about this and bring the energy out into the universe. Imagine if crypto is finally behaving like crypto should, like completely deviating from S&P 500 and the stock market. Imagine that. Imagine like the geopolitical situation is so fucked up that whoever the powers that be that is just restricting this money flow just say fuck it. Let's open it up and see what happens. And imagine if we just start running independently and just completely at a complete 180, a sucker punch, we just begin the bull market. I mean, we're taking major hits of dopamine right now, but just think about that for a second there. Imagine that the current system is just so broken that the masters with the keys are just like, fuck it, let's just let crypto run wild because we've done dug ourselves into a hole. The way I can visually see it is like a bunch of countries just helping Jerome Powell just dig this hole, and everyone is just helping with the shovel. So when we look at Lux here, 2 green weak candles, and money flow is on an uptrend. Look at this, guys. Money flow is on an uptrend, and stochastics and everything else are on an uptrend. If this would have to be the bullest of bull traps. And you know what? Swinging it back to Bitcoin. If this turns out to be a bull trap, let's see. Levels that I would probably look out for would probably be like 31. Would be 30,745. That will most likely get rejected. It would not be out of the realm of possibility to have a relief rally that will bring us up to close to 30K, because 30K is definitely a strong resistance level. So, hey, imagine if we just have this. Imagine if this is the beginning of our relief rally. We rally up to 30K, get rejected, and then we go straight back down to sub 20K again, right? So if that were to happen, you know what? Just for everyone's mental health and everyone who's in crypto, I think it's needed. Just give the people an opportunity to take some money off the table. Not financial advice. Give us an opportunity to stable up. Not financial advice. You know what I'm saying? Give us more opportunities, and this might be it. If we rally to 30K, the relief rally, and then we get rejected and dump back down to sub 20K, that is going to be fantastic. Like, I am definitely, if we just start charging up, and then just as if like Bitcoin just doesn't give a shit, just walking around, swinging dick, and goes to 30K, I might even start DCAing out once we reach like 24 to 26. Not financial advice. That's assuming this is the beginning of the relief rally. For all we know, it could be a bull trap, but I'm just prepared for both, guys. I'm just prepared for both. So back to Lux. So let's take a look at DOT real quick. We can see here on the weekly, we've already confirmed a bottom. Let's go to the 2 week. It's looking like it's trying to confirm one as well. When we swing over to Hex, 2 week, still looking for that weekly bottom. Finally on the 1 week, bottom confirmed. Hedera hash graph. You know what I'm saying? The gossipers, we got green dot confirmation here. When we go into the 2 week, same story there. It's It's like all of the coins are looking for bottoms here on the higher time frames. Let's go to a more historical coin here. Let's do Ethereum. Let's peep the 1 month. Okay, so it's looking like the 1 month still has some time. You know, we may actually find the bottom for Ethereum probably as far out as that would be interesting. November, December. Perhaps the 1st of January. That would be interesting. Imagine, okay, so imagine if the 1st of December 1st or January 1st, 23rd is the official the official bottom on the monthly. Monthly is super strong. You know, that's pretty damn strong. And if that were to confirm, then probably Q1 2023 will be the bottom and the slow grind back up until, or you know what? I wouldn't say the slow grind back up. I would say the, sure, fuck it. The slow grind up with ranging until BTC halving, because we ain't doing shit until BTC halving happens. You know what I'm saying? Like there's in any way you slice it, man. Like nothing is happening until the BTC halving, right? So let's look at the 1 week. Algo, same thing. We got the snake eyes here, very bullish. 2 weeks, still looking for a bottom as well. IMX2 new, 1 week. Bottom confirmation already on the 1 week. Let's take a look at the 6-day bottoms. Gala, fucking 1 week. There you go. 2 week. Not enough data. 6 days. Bottom confirmed. Fucking B Pro or B broke. Bottom. 1 week. Bottom already. 2 week. Still looking for one. Dang, really good, guys. Let's the 2 week. Yeah. B Pro definitely's got some work to do. So I'm just gonna leave that there. So we'll see. We should see something. If depending how much legs does this relief rally have with Bitcoin, if it really does grind up to 30, that would be fantastic. We'll probably flip this resistance to support and then range. That'll be like the new that'll be the new lengthy trading range for B Pro. Wax 2 weeks, same thing. 1 week. Okay, so overall, guys, this is really good. Ecomi. Bottom confirmed, 2 week, still looking to. Yeah, this is really good, guys. Let's see, LCX, not enough data, too new. 1 week, yeah, this is good, guys. So, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how the weekend, let's see how Friday treats us, and then the weekend. And then we will see what happens on Monday, right? Hey, if this is a relief rally, you know, thank your fucking lucky stars, guys, especially if you're in over your head. This is your fucking opportunity to stable up. Not financial advice, you know what I'm saying? Because, yes, we're going to have a relief rally, but, you know, it doesn't change what's happening around the world, right? And the FOMC and all that other stuff. But, yeah, let's hope that this is the local bottom that we were looking for the relief rally, and then we can just charge our way up to 30, because why not, right? 30 and then just get rejected at that big even and then plunge back down. So, all right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.